Good morning. My name is Mike Byer. I'm the General Manager of Consolidated Collision Services, and I first want to take the opportunity to welcome you and congratulate you on becoming a member of Consolidated Dealers Cooperative. You are joining an absolutely great team, and from all of us, we look forward to helping you grow your business and serving you as a customer for many, many years to come. So as I mentioned from the start, I'm the General Manager of Consolidated Collision Services, and we are a collision repair network for new car dealers. If you are a new car dealer with a collision center, you owe it to yourself to give us a call and give us 30 minutes of your time, and we will help explain how our program focused on customer retention, performance management, and cars to the door from our national insurance partners can help grow your revenue and grow your profitability. We can be reached at info@ccsdealers.com, or you can call me directly at 289-795-9955. Thank you, and welcome to Consolidated Dealers. We hope to hear from you.